Ron Harkleroad was nominated by his buddy Scott to be our Motorhead of the Week. Ron is a native of Bristol, Tennessee, and I tell you, he is a certified car nut. It all started over 50 years ago. Ron helped his brother with a roofing job, and in return, his brother gave him the shell of a '66 Chevy 2. Ron restored that, and he says he was over the moon when he got $39,000 for it. But get this, the person who bought it from Ron sold it at Barrett-Jackson for $125,000. That speaks volumes for Ron's work. Now, Ron's done over a dozen cars in the last 50 years, and he says he does everything except for the paint in the interior. And he has 4 projects in the shop right now, including a '49 Ford that makes 500 horsepower and a '33 Plymouth he built for his wife. Now, if you want to be Motorhead of the Week, all you have to do is go to our website. Super easy. Just click on the link and send us a note. That is going to do it for this episode of Motorhead Garage, presented by DragonfireTools.com. We're going to do it again next week, though, so we hope you join us then. See ya.